So many people question when you first come to Korea is how do I get a cell phone? And second one would be where do I get a SIM card for my cell phone? Well, this is how you do it. You walk to a place like this. This is one of the many cell phone places you can go to. There's probably like 10 more behind me along the street. So let's go in and see what happens. So I just tried to open my own cell phone account and I can't because it is Sunday. So don't try to get a cell phone on a Sunday. So I was trying to get my SIM card all sorted out and they won't give it to foreigners. So the trick is that you use somebody native to Korea. Like these two people. So they were very helpful. They went into the place with me and they signed me up. So it's under their name, but I'm using it. So that's one way of doing it.